Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different kind of like wig review for you guys. This is going to be a get ready with me video, and it's going to be featuring a wig that I made using curly hair from Dsoar hair. They sent me a 14-inch frontal and 3 16-inch bundles, but I did cut it, and I'm probably going to insert some footage of me cutting it because for some reason like the 14 and 16 inch kind of gave it a mullet look, so I gave it like a short kind of a bob curly look, and I think it looks way better than what it initially looked like. But I'm also just gonna film me doing my makeup. I'm just gonna be filming myself do a simple makeup look, and I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna be filming videos today, so that's why I'm doing my makeup. So before I do my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this wig. So I did make this wig using the hot glue gun method, and I bleached the knots on it. The knots still look a little bit dark on it. I could have left the bleach on there a little bit longer, but yeah. And then I sewed some elastic in the cap, so I'm gonna go ahead and place it on my head. And my hair is not braided flat, so you might see like some, you know, humps and stuff, because my natural hair is growing a lot and it's not all the way flat. So, and I can't braid my hair, so. Yeah, the knots on here are still really dark, but I'm just gonna use powder and stuff to make the hairline look more natural. I'm gonna get some clips and clip the hair out of my face before I spray the hairline down. So I've already put some product in the hair. I put water and Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner. That's like that's the curly routine I learned from Natural Joy. And I've been using that routine for about maybe 3 months. And ever since I used that routine, and I'll try to link like the video in the description box, like I like all of the curly wigs that I review pretty much ever since that routine, because it makes the curls really pop. I use water, leave-in conditioner, and to wash the wig I use the Aussie conditioner. So I have the elastic in the cap, so I don't have to do as much you know, gluing down of the cap and everything. So I should have included this in my favorites for November, but this 3-in-1 edge brush that I picked up, I think I got it off of Amazon. It has the standard like comb end and then the brush tip, and then it has this spatula end, and I use that like every time I apply my lace wigs. So to get the hairline down, I'm going to use my Got To Be Glued Free Spray. And people ask me all the time, like, to me, I don't consider this glue. I mean, if you rip it off your head, you're going to mess your edges up just like with glue, but you got to be smart with how you take off your wigs and stuff. So with this, all you have to do is spray it down with your spray bottle of water and saturate the lace, and it'll come right up. And my edges are, you know, full, and I wear wigs pretty much like 90% of the time. So it's really how you put on your wigs and take them off to be the determining factor of, you know, saving your edges. And I know I always use the hot glue gun method, but in 2019 I would like to learn how to do a machine wefted wig. And that way, you guys know, like, I don't really sell the wigs that I make that often, but I would feel more comfortable selling wigs if I have them machine made instead of, you know, the hot glue gun method all the time. And then the sewing method just takes too long. But I feel like the machine weft technique wouldn't take take as long. So I need to take a class or a course online, because there's a lot of ladies that offer those kinds of services. I might have to use like the gel on this side, because like it's cool to use the spray up here, but when you want like some heavy duty adhesive, or like you want it to lay down like for real, sometimes you gotta incorporate the gel. I haven't started using glue yet, but I did buy the Esha glue. I bought it a few weeks ago, but I haven't used it because I just haven't used it yet. So I'm gonna take my scarf and tie my hairline down while I go ahead and start my simple makeup look. And I got my eyebrows waxed for the first time in years. Like, I just shake my eyebrows with a razor, but I was getting kind of tired of having to do that. So I got my eyebrows waxed, and he did them super thin, but I don't mind because, I mean, I feel my eyebrows in anyway. So my skin's already moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and use my primer. And I'm just using the Sacha Mattifier, Sacha Mattifier face primer. I'm gonna kind of speed through my eyebrows because I do have like other tutorials where I show my eyebrow routine. And if you follow me on Instagram, I actually have like a dedicated video of me showing how I do my eyebrows. So
you gotta put me on.
alright, for lips, I'm gonna be combining two liquid lipsticks. One is from Raine. This is Truffle Raine, which is a brown color. And I'm gonna be putting on top of it Colourpop's Ultra Satin Lip in Strip. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the Truffle Raine down first and then go over top with Strip. So I finished my makeup, so we're gonna finish off the wig. so here's the final look. I finished my makeup and my hair. Hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I don't do them often and I'm like all over the place in them. Like I start off talking and then towards the end I just, you know, speed up the makeup. But yeah, in a couple weeks I'm gonna give you guys like an actual review on this hair. I feel like this cut that I did looks really cute with the curls. And it's a break from all the like longer curly wigs I've done. I want to thank Dsoar Hair for sponsoring this video. And I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. I have plenty of videos coming up for you guys this month, so please stay tuned and make sure your notifications are turned on. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.